Just introduce yourself.
My name's Winston. My parents kicked me out of the roost pretty early. I was a bit of a handful. Got into some trouble with some other people, and but I don't do that anymore. I don't do that anymore.
Great. Could you tell me about some of your special skills?
I imitate human speech a lot. Like, hello, how are you today, Jim? Oh, pretty good, yeah, having a great day. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that was really human. Thanks, Winston.
You guys got lunch? I'm hungry.